DE 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Puno na yung battery natin, guys. State of charge natin is UC is 1% na. Tapos may load tayo 2,675 watts or 2.6 kilowatt. Medyo materik yung araw, kaya madaling napuno yung battery. Magandang gamitin ito, guys, itong DE na 6 kilowatt. Ito yung latest nila na DE. New DE 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Ayan lang, guys. Kaya pakabit na kayo, guys. Pa-install na kayo ng solar. Magandang gamitin ng solar, guys. Investment. Magandang investment. Ayan, guys. Yung solar lang ang nagsusupply sa bahay. At yung grid, naka-off-grid siya, guys, kasi hindi na ako gumagamit ng grid kasi paggabi kaya na ng battery i-handle yung mga aircon. Ito yung battery ko, guys, 200 Ah 48 volts. Yung grid, guys, na-off na yung it is control, in-off ko na at saka grid. Yan lang, guys. Thank you.